Hello guys and welcome back to Heloanfa. So today I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a Wi-Fi hotspot. First, open the settings on your iPhone and then tap on personal hotspot. If you don't see it right away, it might be under mobile data, personal hotspot, depending on your iOS version or carrier. Now turn on the options that says allow others to join. You will also see a Wi-Fi password just below it. And this is the password that other device will need to connect to your hotspot, so you can tap it and change it to something easy to remember but still secure. For example, 111.222.333. Done. Just keep in mind that using hotspot can quickly drain your battery and use a lot of mobile data. So if you are on limited plan, make sure to monitor your usage. So when you are done, just go back to settings, go to personal hotspot and turn it off. Okay, so that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe these channels. See you in the next video.